In the last video, we talked about Dalton's atomic theory. Dalton was also the first person to understand that atoms combine to form chemical compounds. Today, we're going to discuss how and why. The answer? Bonds. Chemical bonds. Chemical bonds are the forces that hold atoms together. There are two main types of bonds that we're going to discuss in this video: covalent bonds and ionic bonds. Both of these types of bonds happen because of electrons. It's important to understand that electrons play a fundamental role in creating compounds. Now, covalent bonds involve the sharing of electrons. When atoms share electrons, they form a molecule. For example, the chemical formula for carbon dioxide is CO2, meaning that each molecule of carbon dioxide contains one atom of carbon and two atoms of oxygen. We could also draw the structural formula to represent carbon dioxide. In the structural formula, we use lines to represent the individual bonds. The other type of bond is called an ionic bond. Ionic bonds involve ions. Ions are atoms or groups of atoms that have a net positive or negative charge. A positive ion is known as a cation, and a negative ion is known as an anion. We also have polyatomic ions, which literally mean an ion that consists of many atoms. Hydroxide is an example of a polyatomic ion because it has one hydrogen and one oxygen. It also has a -1 charge. In ionic bonds, electrons are transferred, but we'll discuss these bonds more later.